Hi, welcome back to Graphics Slice channel. So today we are going to discuss one more Photoshop tutorial, how to prepare a GIF. So what do you mean by GIF? GIF means the graphics interchange format. GIF is a bitmap image. GIF means animated images. I think you saw in Facebook or else in WhatsApp. So nowadays it's a common, right? So animated wishes, all those things will be available in your WhatsApp and Facebook, right? Today we are going to create GIF file. So how to prepare a GIF? Just add multiple images and convert it to GIF. So I will show you one simple example. First, go and select a new file. In that I'm going to choose simple custom template. So width 5, height 5. So okay, 200 pixel is enough. So square, or to put the final output on a FB, WhatsApp or Insta. That's why I'm going to prepare with square size. Just click create. So this is our file. In this I'm going to show one GIF file. We'll take a text, so you can apply for images also. So just your understanding purpose, I am going to choose a text file. Just click here. Okay, I will show simple text like okay. I'm going to pick this and I'm going to make it center justification. Okay, so this is the text we are going to send. Then Control T, I'm going to scale this. Otherwise you can increase font size also by using font size here. Right, so and you can change the color and you can adjust bold, italic, underline, and you can change the font style. You know all those things. Just right click and here we have a option duplicate layer. Just click OK. Otherwise you can use command Control J like this. Okay, so this is first image, this is second, third, fourth, right? So in first image I'm going to edit just half these layers. So only first image is enabled now. Go to text. I'm going to erase this. In first image only good, in second image both good morning. So in third image also same, fourth image also same. Okay, so hide all the four images. First one is right, second one is okay, third one I'm going to add some strokes or some effects. Just double click here, you will get a layer style manager. In that just click stroke, you'll get stroke. So what about stroke value? The stroke value is 8 and the color is black. You can change the color also. Outer color you can set any darker like this. I think black is better. Okay, keep it black only. And then position of the stroke is outside only. If it is inside it look like this. So just switch to outside only. Okay, stroke value you may increase, see here, by using this scale, or else you can use value directly. Here you can enter the value. So I set to 8, then click OK. So for this again I'm going to do the same thing. Just on this, double click, again stroke, click on the stroke text, you'll get the stroke settings. If I click directly here it won't show these settings. Click on a stroke text, again it shows. I'm going to add color yellow. Stroke size like this. Okay, so just drag this layer below this. See, now you can see both black and yellow color text. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 layer. First, second, third, fourth, right? So now I'm going to animate this by using timeline window. Where? Here, go to the window tab. So select the timeline window. So this is the timeline window. What you are going to prepare? So video or image. So I'm going to prepare a frame animation. Just pick here, create frame animation. Click first. Automatically it selects the first frame. So then for second, so before going to select a second frame, so you can set the time delay. So no delay to 10 seconds time options is available. You can set 0.1 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 0.5. So I'm going to choose 0.2 seconds. It's enough. Next, again click here to load a second image. So I'm added second image in that, just on this. Same, this is also selected 0.2 second. Again I'm going to add third one in that, just on this. Again I'm going to add one more layer by using duplicate selected frame, then on a fourth one, right? So then it will continuously play. You will get a GIF. So when it plays with the order 1 2 3 4, you will get a GIF layer. Just I'm going to click play here. Just observe the picture. This is the GIF. So GIF is created. So how to save this, or else how to export this? So it's just simple way. Go to file menu. In the file menu, export. So save web legacy. Select here. And then if you want original file, so it shows higher memory. So optimized means compressed. So select optimized, it's better. Then here GIF quality will be available. So I'm going to select OK, GIF 64. So selective and save. Where you want to save this, select any position. So in desktop, I'm going to select good morning image only. Okay, click on save. Okay, it's exported. So we'll check how it. Click on a desktop. So in desktop, GIF is preferred. Just double click this. See, our GIF file is ready. Like this, in a simple way, we can prepare our own GIF files. So you can try with this your images, or else walking images, or else any different types of pictures. Just prepare with the different layers and add it to the timeline. Okay, 1 second, we will repeat the session. So first prepare a layers, which one you want to animate with the different layers. Then load timeline, prepare animation. Just add the layers here directly by using duplicate option, and on and off the layers. Check once by using play option. Then after that, export by using export legacy. Save to the save for web option is available. Use it. Okay, so this is a simple way. So within a minute we can prepare our own customized GIF files. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and share, like. If you have any doubts, please comment on below the video. Thank you very much.